Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at ratio and proportion, and in today's video, I'm going to look at converting currencies. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert money from a different currency into another currency. So watch this video up to the end, as I'm going to show you how you can convert money from another currency into another currency. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to use this table to help me convert between currencies, to convert money between currencies. So I'm going to use that table, as you can see. So you are encouraged to study the table, as you can read there. Study the table below, and we have got on the left column we've got currency, and on the right column we've got exchange rate. So as you can see, we are changing between other currency and Zambian kwacha. So we have got we are going to convert money from another currency into Zambian kwacha, or from Zambian kwacha into other currency. So the whole scenario here is presumed that you are in Zambia, and that's where you are going to buy from other currencies. You're going to buy other currencies from Zambia. So you're in Zambia and you're going to buy currencies of different countries from Zambia. Okay, so currency number one, there you can see we have got US dollar, which is $1 is bought at 5.45 kwacha, and pound sterling, which is £1 is bought at 8.45, and Botswana pula, which is £1 is bought at 0.64, and euro, which is €1, £1 is bought at 7.27 kwacha, and South African rand, which is £1 is bought at 0.56 kwacha. Okay, so let's now go to the questions. Okay, so the instruction is answer the following questions using the table above. Okay, now I want to share with you two cardinal points you need to consider when you are buying or selling currencies. The first one is when you're in Zambia, if you are buying Zambian kwacha, you multiply by the exchange rate. So if you are buying a Zambian kwacha, you have got foreign currency and you want to buy Zambian kwacha, you are going to multiply the amount you have by the exchange rate. Okay, then if you are buying other currencies, you divide by the exchange rate. Now if you have got Zambian kwacha and then you want to buy other currencies, you have got a Zambian kwacha, you want to buy dollars, that means you are going to divide the money you have by the exchange rate. Okay, so when you are buying other currencies, you divide by exchange rate. When you are buying Zambian kwacha, you multiply by exchange rate. So if you have got other currencies, not a Zambian kwacha, then you want to buy Zambian kwacha, you multiply by exchange rate. But if you have got Zambian kwacha, you want to buy other currencies, you divide by exchange rate. Okay, that is what you need to bear in mind. Now let's go into questions. Okay, so these are the two questions I'm going to use. The first one is Lita had 800 pounds sterling, which she changed to Zambian kwacha. How much did Lita have in Zambian kwacha? How much did Lita have in Zambian kwacha? So Lita had 800 pounds, so that's what she had. So we are going to write what she had. She had 800 pounds there. Okay, now what we need to find is what is the exchange rate for pounds. Okay, so we're going to go where there is pounds. We are going to circle there. That's where there is pounds, the way I have circled in brown. So pound sterling, which is £1 is equal to 8.45 kwacha. That is the exchange rate. The exchange rate is the one I've circled in yellow there. That is the exchange rate, which is 8.45 kwacha. So that's the one I'm going to write there. So we are going to multiply. Remember, we are going to multiply. Why? Because that is the law, which when you look down here where I've written in green, we are saying if you are buying Zambian kwacha, you multiply by the exchange rate. Now, as you can see here, Lita has a foreign currency which is 800 pounds sterling. So it's a foreign currency. She wants to buy kwacha, Zambian kwacha. So she's going to multiply, or we are going to multiply 800 pounds sterling by the exchange rate. Okay, so we are going to say 800 multiplied by, so I'm going to leave out the pound sterling. As you know, I want to get the answer which is in kwacha, so I'm going to ignore the units for the pounds. Okay, so I'm going to write 800 multiplied by 8.45. Now when you multiply that, it's going to give you 6,760 kwacha. So this is the money Lita is going to have in Zambian kwacha, which is going to be 6,760 kwacha. Okay, so we can say Lita had 600, 700, no, not 600. Lita had 6,760 kwacha in Zambian currency. So the value of 800 pounds sterling in Zambian kwacha is 6,760 kwacha in Zambian currency. Okay, now we can go to the second question. The second question is, Elik has 1,000 kwacha which he wants to change to Botswana pula. How much money is he going to have in Botswana pula? So Helik has 1,000 kwacha and he wants to change that 1,000 kwacha into Botswana pula. So we're going to write what Helik has, which is 1,000 kwacha. And then after we have done that, we're going to check for Zambian for exchange rate for Botswana pula, which we're going to find there. That is the exchange rate for Botswana pula, which is 1 pula is equal to 0.64 kwacha. Okay, so that is the exchange rate we're going to write there. Once we have written the exchange rate there, then what we're going to do is we are going to go to the second instruction. Remember, in this question, Chris has got Zambian kwacha. He has got money in our local currency, which is kwacha. He wants to buy a foreign currency, that is Botswana pula. So since he wants to buy Botswana pula, that means we are going to divide the Zambian currency by the exchange rate. So we're going to divide the money he has in Zambian kwacha by the exchange rate. If you look at the instruction number 2 in pink, you see that if you are buying other currencies, you divide by the exchange rate. So Elik wants to buy other currencies, the foreign currencies, that is Botswana pula. That means we're going to divide 1,000 by the exchange rate. So we're going to write 1,000 divided by the exchange rate, which is 0.64. Now when we divide that, we are going to get 1,562.5, which will be pulas. Okay, which will be pulas. So Chris is going to have 1,562.5 pula, that is Botswana pula. That is the money is going to have. So 1,000 kwacha is worth 1,562.5 pula in Botswana currency. Okay, so we can write a statement which is Elik will have 1,562.5 Botswana pula. Okay, so basically this is how you convert currencies, or you convert money between two currencies. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. We'll be glad to respond to them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.